Okay, this tutorial is to show you how to download WebEx so that you can watch Burlington Parks and Recreation Department's virtual classes. So we're going to start by opening your web browser, whatever you use. I use Google Chrome. And then we'll just start at any home page. Up here, you're going to type in the web address, which is webex.com/downloads.html and then click enter. That's going to bring you to this page here. From here, if you scroll down, you're going to click on download for Windows. So if you're on a phone, you can download it from the App Store on whichever phone you're on. But if you're on a computer, we're going to click right here, download for Windows. And you're going to see the download pop up right down here in the corner. So just click on that download once it pops up. And from here, there's going to be a series of prompts that you're going to have to go through. Just click next, accept the terms, next, and then click install. And once you click install here, it's going to start to download on your computer. So I had paused my screen recording while it was downloading, but it probably took a couple minutes, and you probably saw some green lines going across your screen while it downloaded. But once that's complete, you'll just click finish right here. And now after you click finish, we're just going to get out of all of this. You'll go back to your home screen here. And you're going to find the icon that looks like this. So it is the WebEx icon. This is where you'll find all of your classes through the Parks and Recreation Department. So you don't need to open it now. This is just where you'll go once it's time for your meeting to start. But until then, you have downloaded WebEx, so you are ready to roll once the meeting starts.